My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Grand California camper. This vehicle has done just over 9,600 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. So as we approach the side of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our fully retractable awning, which we can control using this button just here. As we step inside, we can see that we have 4 belted seats in total, as well as our foldable table, which provides us with a dining area. We also have our foldable ladder, which leads us to our overcab double bed. If we push down on this button here, we can very easily pull that out. Moving on to our kitchen area, we have our cooker, sink and chopping board, as well as our fridge. Just behind our kitchen area, we have our bathroom. This includes our toilet, sink, and a tap. We have a retractable shower head. Moving on to our second double bed, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berth. We have our USB port, and lots of overhead storage. We also have 2 sunroofs, bringing in lots of natural light. If we move to our screen here, we can access our lighting, water, battery, temperature and settings, as well as our electric step. If we move on to our entertainment, we have our satellite system, sound system and Wi-Fi. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature. To the right, we have voice control, as well as automatic headlights. On the touchscreen, to the left, we have radio and media, smartphone integration and voice control. To the right, we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our car and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And just below our screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.